Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to sign up for TradingView or how to create your account. And it's quite simple. So from here on the website tradingview.com we click here on this profile icon and then we go to sign in. Then right now you can decide if you want to sign in with your email account or an email account. So click then here right here on email, but I prefer you to log in with a Google account because that's so much easier. So what we want to do now is we click here on the Google account and then select the account where you want to log in with. And then right now he's saying 1 moment. And right now we just sign in with our Google account. So right now if you click here, you will see here my Google account. So it's seriously this easy, and you can do this with your Google account, with your X account, or by just creating an email on TradingView. So this is exactly how this works. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.